Hello friends, today we are going to talk about GET and POST methods. There are two ways the browser client can send information to the web server. First one is the GET method and second one is the POST method. Before the browser sends the information, it encodes it using a scheme called URL encoding. In this scheme, name or value pairs are joined with equal signs and different pairs are separated by the ampersand. For example, name 1 is equal to value 1, ampersand name 2 is equal to value 2, ampersand name 3 is equal to value 3. Spaces are removed and replaced with the plus character, and any other non-alphanumeric characters are replaced with a hexadecimal values. After the information is encoded, it is sent to the server. Now let us see the GET method. The GET method sends the encoded user information appended to the page request. The page and the encoded information are separated by question mark character. For example, this is page name and this is encoded information. Both are separated by question mark character. The GET method produces a long string that appears in your server logs in the browser's location box. The GET method is restricted to send up to 1024 characters only. Never use GET method if you have password or other sensitive information to be sent to the server. GET can't be used to send binary data like images or Word documents to the server. The data sent by GET method can be accessed using query_string environment variable. The PHP provides $_get associative array to access all the sent information using GET method. Now, the POST method. The POST method transfers information via HTTP headers. The information is encoded as described in case of GET method and put into a header called query_string. The POST method does not have any restriction on data size to be sent. The POST method can be used to send ASCII as well as binary data. The data sent by POST method goes through HTTP header, so security depends on HTTP protocol. By using secure HTTP, you can make sure that your information is secure. The PHP provides $_post associative array to access all the sent information using POST method. Simple use of GET and POST method is that if you want to send any secure information, you have to use POST method, otherwise GET method. Thank you for watching.